welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you the recipe of how to make pancakes or waffles. So let's get started. Inside. So what we have inside is some flour, and then what we have to do, we're actually making the original pancake and waffles. So you just need to add milk, egg, and oil, and some flour. So let's get started. So I just took 1.5 cups of flour. This is 1.5. So now I'm gonna pour them into this. So one's done. Now the second one. So that's 1.5. Now we need some eggs. We need 2 eggs to do this. So let's get 2 eggs. I got 2 eggs. Now let me close this and put it back. So now let's crack these eggs. So crack. Let's crack. Ooh, some yolk.
Do you know how to crack the egg?
Yeah. Some yolk. What?
Let me help.
Yeah, let me help you. No, don't put that.
Okay, now let me just go wash my hands.
No, my other chef is here.
Now we will add some milk. Put organic milk because this is original. So we will add 3/4 of cups. So let's start.
3/4 cup of milk.
Cup of
3/4
milk.
Cups. 3/4 cup.
Let me pour. Yeah, you can do that. So we are mixing it. It looks bad right now, but later it's gonna look good. Now I'm just gonna get some more. Now it's more. Now, what's next? Oil.
Okay, go bring oil around.
Mama, kaun si kind of oil? Now we will add olive oil, 1.5 spoon. So let's do it. Let me get a spoon. Looks good right now. Spoon पे half. Now we need to mix it. No, not that. I am RK because my name is Reyansh and my last name is Kansal. His name is Bhavya and his last name is Kansal. So
Good.
BK.
Then
Now we need to heat this pan for this.
hold the toaster.
This pan.
Toaster.
We can call it whatever you want. We can put all of this in the toaster after this is heated up. So,
Let's take guesses now. How many pancakes can you make in this much batter around?
5, 6?
5, 6? 5 or 6?
Yeah.
One number.
No, 5 or 6.
No, one number. Yeah, I think
5. I think 5.
I think 7. No.
Okay, I'm just saying 6. That's right.
Okay, that's your final now. You're gonna change it.
Now we are going to put it inside this toaster.
Then bring this closer. You don't have to do it so delicately. It'll take forever if you do it like that. Just take a big spoon. and pour
Okay,
it.
give me them.
You can do it for the other one now. Take a big spoon.
Add some more.
Yeah. First, take a big
Yeah,
spoon and
take the
just
other
pour it in. Yeah, pour it in. Like don't swirl it around. And one more time, do the same thing. A bit more, man. It's not gonna do anything. Give me.
No, you just add a little more on this one.
I know.
Whoa. A square pancake.
It's not a pancake.
I mean
it's
a waffle.
We're not making pancakes. We're making waffles. Who said we're making pancakes?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna.
So now let's check if it's ready. Almost. A little more time. And then we're gonna add some more. And please subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel if you like this video. And like our videos and view our videos. Yes. But the most important thing is subscribing.
Let me open it.
Now,
Yeah, it's good.
yep.
I'll take it out. Now let me take this out. Yeah.
If you want, you can also take out your syrup. And you only have a little syrup. Oh, this came in this is the same. Same. You'll see it says original. So let's see. That's sticky. Every spot.
Slowly.
Is
No, it's okay.
it bleeding?
No.